Hello all, once again this is Suraj Goel signing in. I hope that you all are doing very well, and you can follow me on this link which is provided over here. You can shoot all your questions in the comment box below and keep asking whatever query, whatever question you are having in your mind. Does not matter it is a small doubt or it's a big doubt, but just keep asking. Just ask it by just shooting it in the comment box below. Okay, don't forget to recommend this lesson, which you can do by just clicking on the recommend tab which is provided just below here. Okay, and also if you like any of my lesson, my lecture, my course, then do follow me over this link. Okay, now in this lecture, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about concept of wish, and it is continued. Actually, we talked about the same in the last lecture also, and we are continuing with it what we talked about in the last lecture. So let's start. So just like in the last lecture, we talked about some of the sentences like I wish that I could, I wish I were a king, and I wish to go to London, and I don't wish to do that. Okay, so we talked about these sentences in the last lecture, and in this lecture, we are going to talk about three new ways in which we can make a wish. Like I wish that he would action. I wish that I had action third form and wish him something. Okay, so we'll just look all of them one by one. So starting off with the very first, I wish that Raj would not go there. No, I wish that Raj would not go there. So before just talking about the meaning of this sentence, let's read out this statement which is written over here. When we don't like what other people are doing and want that person to change, when we don't like what other people are doing and we want that person to change. Actually, every person has a different perspective, and he just likes to live his life in his own way, but we are not happy with the way he is living or with the way he is doing something, and I want something to some ways to change in him. I want something to just get changed. So in that case I can make a wish, and those are the wishes which I'm going to talk about in this slide. I wish that Raj would not go there. Let's say Raj is a person, he's your friend, and he has gone somewhere, but you did not want him to go there. He has already gone, but you did not want you did not want him to go there. That is why you are making a wish. Now just remember, he has already gone, वो जा चुका है. ओके, वॉट यू डोंट वॉन्ट वो एक्चुअली में हो चुका है, जो आप नहीं चाहते वो हो चुका है. सो ही हैज ऑलरेडी गॉन, बट आफ्टर दैट यू आर मेकिंग अ विश. आई विश दैट राज वुड नॉट गो देयर. आई विश दैट राज would not go there. Now you are actually asking that person to change, but you are talking to yourself, you are making a wish कि काश वो change हो जाता, वो नहीं जाता. I wish Raj would not go there. मैं इच्छा रखती थी कि काश राज वहाँ नहीं जाता. I wish that the neighbors would be quiet. Let's say you have neighbors who are not at all quiet. So you are making a wish कि I wish that the neighbors would be quiet. काश neighbors जो है वो शांत होते. Next is I wish that you would not gamble so much. So that actually means that you gamble so much. And then I'm making a wish कि काश तुम इतना ज़्यादा जुआ नहीं खेलते. I wish that it would stop raining. Now it is raining. It is raining like bucketing down. Okay, it is raining like cats and dogs. बहुत ज़्यादा भयंकर बारिश पड़ रही है. And then I'm just making a wish कि I wish that it would stop raining. काश ये बारिश बंद हो जाती. Similarly, I wish that you would not come so late. काश तुम इतना लेट नहीं आते. That actually means कि you have actually come late, but I'm making a wish कि काश तुम इतना लेट नहीं आते. Okay, moving on, the second type of sentence, I wish that I had action third form. I wish that I had action third form. So the first sentence is I wish that I had studied harder for the exams. Now this is a wish which I am making for myself. I wish that I had. Okay, so let's talk about this statement first. Things that have already happened, but we wish they would happen in a different way. Now this is something, things which have already happened, जो पहले से ही हो चुकी हैं, but now I am wishing कि काश वो दूसरी तरह से हुई होती. Okay, and I am wishing it for myself. The things which are related to me, जो पहले से ही हो चुकी हैं, but I want them to take place in some different way. Then I can use this statement. Like, I wish that I had studied harder for the exam. Let's say you had exams and you did not perform well in that exam. So now after the exam you are just thinking कि काश मैं इस एग्जाम के लिए थोड़ा सा ज्यादा मेहनत करके पढ़ा होता. Similarly, I wish that I had not spoken so bad to him yesterday. Now you have already spoken bad. You have already spoken bad to him yesterday, and now you are just regretting about that कि काश मैंने उसको इतना ज्यादा गंदा नहीं बोला होता कल. Similarly, I wish the train had been on time. Let's say train was not on time, and that is why you just lost one of your interview, or you just lost one very important task which you were supposed to do. So now you are wishing. You have already missed everything because of the train. So now you are wishing कि काश train late नहीं होती है. I wish train had been on time. I wish that the train had been on time. काश train जो होती वो time पर होती. Similarly, I wish that I had asked you this question last week. Let's say you did not ask a question to your friend, and now today you are having the same question in your question paper. So now you can just wonder, you can just think कि काश मैंने वो question उससे last week ही पूछ लिया होता, जो कि आपने actually में नहीं पूछा. Okay. Similarly, I wish that my car had not run out of petrol. That means your car had actually run out of petrol. आपकी गाड़ी जो है उसका पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया. So now you are making a wish कि काश मेरी गाड़ी का पेट्रोल नहीं खत्म हुआ होता. So this is how you can just make a wish when something has already happened, but you wish that they would have happened in a different way. Okay. Now moving on, whenever you want to wish someone, now this is the use which we actually use every day. Okay. Like, I wish you a very happy birthday. This is a very common statement which we speak every day, and the people who are using Facebook, they actually use it every day because we have the notifications for all the friends who are having the birthdays, right? So still, if we just read out this statement, when we wish someone on any special occasion, जब भी किसी का कोई special occasion होता है तो we actually wish them, we actually provide our blessings to them, and for that we use I wished him a very happy birthday. मैंने उसको एक बहुत अच्छा जन्मदिन विश किया. मैंने उसको विश किया कि उसका जन्मदिन बहुत अच्छा हो. They wished me Merry Christmas. उन्होंने मुझे विश किया Merry Christmas. We wished them a very colorful Holi. हमने उन सबको बहुत colorful होली हो ऐसा विश किया. He wished her a very happy and prosperous Diwali. उसने उसको दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं दी. They wished us a very happy marriage anniversary. Let's say someone has a marriage anniversary, and then you wished them. Okay, so you can say they wished us a very happy marriage anniversary. Okay, next is I wish you all a very happy new year. Happy new year is just new year is just around the corner. It's almost done with 2017, so we can just say I wish you all a very happy new year in advance. Okay, so I wish you all a very happy new year 2018 in advance. So that is how we can just wish anyone. We can just congratulate anyone. We can just not congratulate, sorry, yeah, we can just wish anyone, and we can just speak a lot of sentences which we talked about in this lecture and in the last lecture. That's all for this lecture. Thank you very much. This is Suyash Goyal signing off.